Good morning, my dear children. This is Tarangini. Children, welcome back to EVS class. Let us start today's session. Children, today we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson number 7, Plants Around Us. What is the lesson name, children? Plants Around Us. We learned so many different types of plants in previous class. In first class, I think you learn about plants. Yes or no? Children, what is this? This is a tree. This is a plant. This is grass. This is a climber. Children, all the plants are looking same, na? Same, huh? No, children. All the plants are not looking same. Children, plants have been classified into different categories. Again, I'm saying plants have been classified into different categories. Okay, children, we see so many plants around us. Some plants are big, some plants are tall, some plants are small. Yes or no? Some plants have weak stem, some plants have weak stem, but most of the plants are green in color. See, all these plants are green in color only, na? Yes or no? Say yes or no, children? Children, plants are very great important, have great importance in our life. Okay, we depend upon plants on various necessities. We are getting so many products from plants. Plants give us food in the form of fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains. These all are we are getting from plants only, children. We are getting wood, paper. We are writing now every day that books, that paper also we are getting from plants, rubber, cotton. You are wearing cotton clothes now, that cotton also we are getting from plants, oils, spices. Mummy is using oils and spices for cooking now. These all we are getting from different plants. Again, children, some plants like tulasi, neem, ginger, garlic plants are used to make medicines. We are using that some plants like tulasi, neem, ginger, garlic. These plants we are using for medicinal purpose also. Okay, children. Apart from children, we are getting so many things from them from plants. Now, plants also giving very important thing for all the living beings. What is that, children? Oxygen. We are getting that oxygen also from plants only. So we have to understand the importance of plants. Plants are very important gift of nature. We must take care of the plants also, children. Again, I'm saying we are seeing so many plants around us. Some plants are big, some plants are tall, some plants are small, some plants have weak stem, some plants have thick and hard stem. But most of the plants are we are seeing in green in color only. Yes or no, children? We depend upon plants on various necessities. We are getting so many products from plants, food items, fruits, apple, mango, banana, papaya, orange, watermelon, whatever it may be. We are getting so many fruits from these plants. Again, we are getting vegetables, potato, brinjal, lady's finger, so many vegetables also we are getting from these plants. Again, pulses. Again, grains, so many grains, pulses we are getting from these plants only. Again, we are getting wood, paper, rubber, cotton, oil, spices, so many other things we are getting from these plants only. Some plants like tea, neem, tulasi plant, ginger plant, garlic plant we are using as a medicinal purpose also. We are taking as a medicine also. Okay, children. Apart from providing so many useful things, plants give us something very important for all the living beings. What is that, children? I said already, oxygen. We are getting that oxygen also from plants only. So we plants are very important gift of the nature, children. We must take care about the plants. Okay, children. Again, I'm saying, children, what are the points I said? We see so many plants around us. Some plants are big and tall. Some plants remain small. Some plants have weak stem. Most of the plants are green in color. These are the important key points, children, we learn. Okay? Children, Children, I said plants have been classified into different categories. I said yes or no? Plants have been classified into different categories. Now we discuss about these different categories in some detail, children. Today we learn about trees. Today we learn about trees. Okay? Children, very big plants we are calling as trees. Not all the plants we are calling as trees, children. Very big and tall plants we are calling as trees. Trees are tall and strong. Imagine rose plant, children. Rose plant is tall and strong, na? No. Okay? Rose plant is very short and small plant. Yes or no? But see this mango tree. This is very tall and strong. Okay? They have hard and thick stem called trunk. We are calling this part as a trunk. Trees have very hard and thick stem. For example, if you see tulsi plant, the stem is very weak. Yes or no? We can break it with our hands. But we can't break this tree trunk with our hands. Yes or no? Trees have very hard and thick stem called trunk. We are calling this part as a trunk. Trees are different size, shapes and sizes also. All the trees are looking same size, same shape, children? No. Different trees have different shapes and different sizes also. Again, trees have many branches also. See, so many branches trees have. See this mango tree, so many branches are there. Again, trees live for many years also, children. Trees lives many years also. Listen carefully, children. Again, I am saying big plants are called trees. Not small plants we are calling as trees. Only big and tall plants only we are calling as trees. Their stem is woody and strong. Trees have hard and thick stem, as I said. They have woody and strong stem. It is called the trunk. That's why we are calling tree stem is a trunk. Okay, we see so many branches of tree coming out of the trunk only. We are seeing, see, so many branches of your tree coming out of from the trunk. From the trunk only we are getting, see, we are seeing so many branches. There are leaves, flowers, fruits on the branches. See, so many leaves, fruits we are seeing. See, observe. Okay, children, trees give shade to humans and animals also. We are getting, trees giving us shade. If you are feeling very hot, what will do, children? In summer season mainly, all the people want to go and sit or stand under the tree because trees are giving shade. We are getting pure air. We are getting pure air also from the plant trees only. Okay, children? So trees are very important, children. We are seeing so many trees around us. Banyan tree, mango tree, coconut tree. So many trees we are seeing around us. Children, trees live many years, several, sometimes even 100 years also they can live. Did you understand, children? Trees can live several years, sometimes even 100 years also they can live. This is all about trees, children. Okay, remember all the points. Not all the plants we are calling as trees. Only tall and strong and big plants only we are calling as trees. We are not calling tree stem is not a stem. We are calling this trunk, this part, because trees have very hard and thick stem. Okay, this part we remember, children, this is trunk, not stem, because this is very hard and thick. Okay, trees are tall and strong. They have many branches. They are different in sizes. They live for many years. This is about trees. Okay, children, let us recall all the points what we learn up to now. Okay, we see many plants around us. Yes sir, now we are seeing so many plants, different plants around us. Some are big and tall. Some plants are big and tall. Some plants remain small. Some small plants also we are seeing. Yes or no? Some plants have weak stem. For example, tulsi plants have very weak stem. We can break with our hands. Mint plant. Mint also they have very weak stem. Yes or no? Some plants have very thick and hard stem. Yes or no? Most of the plants are green in color. Most of the plants are green in color. Very big plants we are calling as trees. I said different categories are there in plants. So first we learn about trees. Yes or no? So we are calling very big plants are calling here trees. Trees are tall and strong. Trees are very tall and strong. Trees have a hard and thick stem called trunk. Tree stem we are calling as trunk. Okay, children, trunk, trunk. Trees are of different shapes and sizes. All the trees are looking same size, children? No. Different trees are looking have different shapes and different sizes also. Okay? Trees have many branches. Trees have many branches. Again, trees live for many years also. Trees live many years also. Okay? Children, now I'll give you an activity. Okay? Do it neatly and carefully, children. Draw and color mango tree and coconut tree pictures. Draw and color. First draw mango tree. Draw neatly. Color it also neatly, children. Okay? For the trunk, brown color. Leaves, green color. Mangoes, yellow color. Like that you should draw neatly and color neatly also. Okay, children? Coconut tree also. So draw coconut tree also. Okay, these two pictures draw neatly and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay, children? Thank you, children.